What if an AI could replace an entire $300,000 trading team, working around the clock, scanning markets, running strategies, and executing faster than any human? That's exactly what Intellectia AI is designed to do. Intellectia is an AI-powered investment platform that brings together tools for day traders, swing traders, and long-term investors. Let's break down what it can actually do. First, the AI stock picker. Every day, it provides tips on the best stocks to trade, aligned with your personal goals. It's like having a dedicated analyst by your side. Next, the DayTrading Center. This feature delivers real-time insights, helping you make faster buy and sell decisions without spending hours glued to charts. For swing traders, the AI signals are powerful. They generate intraday and daily alerts for both stocks and cryptos, with a tested success rate of about 80%. The pattern detection system goes deeper, spotting bullish and bearish setups, identifying target prices, and alerting you before most traders even notice the move. Then comes the option strategy builder. It crafts strategies like spreads, hedges, or income plays based on your unique risk and reward profile, something that usually takes a team of specialists. With AI price prediction, you get forecasts for stocks, ETFs, and crypto price movements, giving you foresight instead of hindsight. The AI screener is another game changer, personalizing stock picks instantly whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. If you prefer a more technical approach, Intellectia also includes on-demand technical analysis, allowing you to check patterns, resistance levels, and trends anytime. And finally, the should I buy analysis. This tool considers data, market trends, and even sentiment to help you make informed decisions across short, medium, and long-term horizons. Intellectia AI isn't just another trading assistant. It's like having a full trading team in your pocket, available 24/7, at a fraction of the cost. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the AI tools transforming finance.